In this episode of Dr. Backpacker and Kids, we go on a sunrise hike at a bird sanctuary for Thanksgiving, followed by making 2 dishes in a Dutch oven for Thanksgiving dinner. See you at the trailhead. For our sunrise hike, we chose a 3-mile hike at a bird sanctuary, a protective area for birds. Bird sanctuaries are great places for morning sunrise hikes to not only enjoy the sunrise, but also the many morning bird sounds and sightings. Particularly in the fall with migratory species, this may give you a chance to see birds that you may not always get a chance to see. Hiking at night or in the dark with kids can be memorable even in familiar places. Everything is more exciting in the dark, so plan ahead. Consider that you may not be able to hike as far in the dark. Bring warm clothes or layers and headlamps as well. Take breaks to enjoy the peace, quiet, darkness, in the skies and the stars. Listen for sounds and enjoy the little things that you may overlook in the light. If sunrise hiking during hunting season, also remember to wear bright colors and be careful. Happy Thanksgiving. It's now sunrise. A cloudy day. It's kind of raining a little bit. Still worth the trip out. Sanctuary. So we've got a lot of geese and duck out this morning. Had some migratory birds go by as well. So happy Thanksgiving, and we're going to finish up this hike, head back, and make some Dutch oven cooking for Thanksgiving. Dutch oven cooking is a great way of getting the kids involved in outdoor cooking. This dressing recipe is in 3 steps and can be found in the description of the video.
Dr. Backpacker and Kids here, and we are going to be making stuffing.
This recipe, we first cut up the red pepper and green pepper, as well as an onion and garlic. Later add in the potatoes, and 3 cups chicken broth mixed in with chicken bouillon and some pepper.
So we've got our potatoes and our garlic and that stuff. We have it in this bucket, and then we added some stuffing to it, stuffing mix, and now we're going to add some sausage. Make it sausage stuffing. This is our potato and sausage stuffing.
Our caramel apple pie also comes in 3 steps with the crust, filling, and then finally the topping. We made the crust beforehand, which was flour, sugar, butter, and water.
So we have added our apples and butter in here, so we're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of flour, and then we're going to be adding a 1/2 cup of brown sugar and pumpkin pie spice. I'm gonna mix it up.
Next to it, we've got our apple pie baking, and so we've already made up the crust and made that up this morning, and right now we've got the filling cooking in there.
We're mixing together our apples, butter, brown sugar, and flour, and this is going to be going on our apple pie. And then over here, we've got our apple pie filling. So we made some crust for the pie, and then here's our filling, and we're going to add the filling spoonful by spoonful onto the pie. And then we're going to add some topping on top.
For the topping, we combine in a separate bowl flour, brown sugar, a little bit of salt, and butter with chopped walnuts. Mixed it up and then sprinkled it on top and then cooked for another half hour. This ended up being a great way to combine the outdoors or some outdoor cooking with the kids for Thanksgiving.
Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video. Thanks, and see you at the trailhead.